The ICAR-Central Agroforestry Research Institute, ICAR-CAFRI, located in Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, is a premier national research institute under the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, dedicated to advancing agroforestry systems in India. The National Conference on Frontiers in Agroforestry and Horticultural Sciences was held on July 15th to 16th, 2026 at ICAR-CAFRI, Jhansi. Over 361 participants from 24 states to discuss climate-resilient farming and ecosystem restoration. Bringing together scientists, academicians, policymakers, researchers, and students from across the country, jointly hosted with ISAF, Jhansi, and AEETDS, Lucknow. The two-day hybrid event focused on advancing agroforestry, fodder production, and rural livelihood stability through inter-institutional collaboration. The event was inaugurated by the chief guest, Honorable Dr. Sanjeev Gupta. He attended as the Assistant Director General, ADG, of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR. Guest of honor, Colonel Mayank Chaubey, an esteemed Indian Army veteran and author, he participated as a distinguished guest and advisor.
And today we, in the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Delhi, are organizing the CSR-CAFRI, where about 56 companies are participating and 47 of our institutes are presenting their technologies in front of those companies for the CSR pilots and for commercialization. So encourage as much as possible and make use of this national conference as a benchmark and a stepping stone to pursue a very strong portfolio of agricultural research in the interest of the country to help our farmers prosper. Thank you so much once again to the DAS for being here and to the participants for having come over. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring remarks and the visionary leadership. जो मेरा विचार है, चाहे फार्मर्स की इनकम को डेवलप करना हो, चाहे हमें हमें इकोलॉजिकल सस्टेनेबिलिटी देनी हो, चाहे हमें जो है एक सस्टेनेबल एग्रीकल्चर सिस्टम तैयार करना हो, मेरे ख्याल से एग्रोफॉरेस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है। क्लाइमेट रेजिलियंस अगर हमें लाना है तो ये भी इसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। जैसे कि अभी AI की बात हो रही है, जैसे अल्ट्रा एरियल वैक्यूम की बात हो रही है, और जिस तरीके से हमें प्रिसीजन फार्मिंग, प्रिसीजन सिस्टम को लेके आगे करना, 3D कैनोपी की तरह हमें मॉनिटरिंग करनी होती है, उसके लिए हमें रडार सिस्टम, उनका भी हमें इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। आजकल कार्बन क्रेडिट की बात हो रही है, इसका एक बहुत बड़ा मार्केट तैयार हो रहा है। क्या हम सोच सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से एग्रोफॉरेस्ट्री सिस्टम को कार्बन क्रेडिट मार्केट से जुड़ें? मेरे ख्याल से ये भी बहुत जरूरी है।
सबसे पहली बात बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर अरुणाचलम का, जो उन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल समझा कि मैं आप जैसे लोगों के बीच खड़े होकर कुछ बात कर सकूं। और सौभाग्य मेरा कि प्रोफेसर गुप्ता साथ में है और हमने हाथ पकड़ के फोटो खिंचवाए। मेरे लिए तो वो क्षण जो था वो मेमोरेबल बन गया कि इतनी बड़ी हस्तियों के बीच मुझे आने का मौका। So you enjoy our ride thoroughly and you're concentrating outside what is there. So he showed me that we have got 170 documented genomes of neem present here in the institute, which is the largest collection which is available in the country. 254.816 एकड़ का पूरा एरिया था, 30 एकड़ जो चला गया बगल के क्षेत्र में. So I was making a note of this, and then he said that this is such a beautiful area, and my mind went to a journey. I said, sir, okay, I will help you in developing this area for ecotourism. So why don't we get students from the school to visit these areas where they learn from what they see? So many things came up in my mind. दिमाग जो है वो मेरा super clock चलता है. So you have to put a rest. अभी भी चल रहा है. In case you have any questions, I can answer all of them. Plus, don't ask me how do you intend reducing your weight, because that I won't be able to answer. Okay, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Jai Hind.
The esteemed panel also released a book of abstracts, comprising scientific contributions from researchers participating in this conference. There were special honors for the deserving young scientists as well.
That award goes to Dr. Amit Pal, Professor, Arunachal University of Studies. Second award, Dr. R. Vijay Kumar, ICAR Nair Award. Dr. Vijay Kumar belongs to Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Gopal Carpenter, Distinguished Scientist Award from ICAR-CAE Bhopal. Many congratulations, Dr. Gopal. Next award, Dr. Brajesh Mehta, Young Scientist Award. Dr. Mehta from the ICAR Jhansi. Next award is from the Ghana, Africa. Emilia Mirukua Obiri, Best Young Professional Award. Emilia Mirukua Obiri from Ghana. Last award, Best PhD Thesis Award, Dr. Mridula Pandey, Quantum University, Roorkee. सभी अवार्डीज को बहुत-बहुत बधाई।
Earlier, Dr. Sanjeev Gupta and Colonel Mayank Chaube also planted saplings at the ICAR-CAFRI campus. Top agricultural minds gathered in a high-tech hybrid format. ICAR leaders, renowned scientists and policy experts took the stage. They delivered their impactful research studies on carbon sequestration, smart farming technology, and high-yield horticultural systems to boost farmers' income. Some researchers and students also shared their accomplishments in skillful use of AI in research and analysis and integrating smart technologies in farming in India. You can watch their interviews independently on this channel.
This national conference is expected to come out with a roadmap that would develop a framework for progressive agriculture through agroforestry and horticultural intervention. A specific recommendation to provision enhanced income for the farmers is also in our objective. So agroforestry, our perennial tree species based agriculture, is going to be the future. And today this country has about 28.427 million hectares of area under tree-based agriculture. And our objective and goal is to increase it to 53 million hectares by 2047 under the Viksit Bharat Action Plan.
With science, innovation, and collaboration at its core, ICAR-CAFRI continues to strengthen agroforestry in India, linking research with farmers, industry, and landscapes to build a greener, more resilient agricultural future.